Good morning. Welcome to our social class. Before going into the topic, I am going to sing a prayer song. Children, all of you close your eyes. Okay. Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirkamaya Mrityoma Amridam Kamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Children, slowly open your eyes. Okay. Before going into the topic, we have to see some good manners. Say please, say thank you, listen to others, wait your turn, be kind to others, say you are sorry, share with others. These are some good manners. You have to follow the good manners. Okay, children? Okay. I show you some images. You have to find the topic. Right? Can you guess what is the topic? Can you guess, children? Right. Today we are going to see about forest. What is that? Forest. Today we are going to see about forest. Okay, forest. What is meant by forest? Okay, forest also called woodlands. What is that? Woodlands are natural and largely undisturbed areas with thickly grown trees and small plants. Right? Forest has existed on earth for millions of years. There are so many different kinds of plants, trees, animals and insects in the forest on the earth that even today we do not know the names of many of them. Right? Forest also called woodlands, that is natural and largely undisturbed areas with thickly grown trees and small plants. These are known as forest. Okay, children. Forests and environment. Forests provide a natural home to many animals and plants. Forests are very important for all living beings. They also play a major role in our environment. Right? Trees in the forest help in purifying the air that all the living organisms need to breathe. So, how the trees provide? So, how the forest purifying the air? How the forest purify the air? They absorb carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. So, this reason forests are called lungs of earth. So, this is the reason forests are called the lungs of earth. So, the trees absorb the carbon dioxide and give out the oxygen. Right? So, for breathing we need oxygen. So, the trees give the oxygen. So, the trees are more important for us. So, the forests are called lungs of the earth. Forest also contribute the rainfall. The leaves of the trees give out tiny drops of water into the air that forms clouds and provide rain. With good rain, animals, plants and human beings get enough water for growth. Forest control soil erosion. How forest control soil erosion? Anybody know? We already discussed in chapter 2 how the forest control the soil erosion. The roots of the trees hold the soil firmly. This keeps the topsoil in place and prevents it from being eroded under heavy rains. So the forests help in soil conservation. So the trees hold the topsoil, right? So it is helps for soil conservation. So this is the image of soil erosion. So this is the image how the trees hold it, how the soil holds the tree roots, right? Okay, forests are habitats for wildlife. Forests are home to many kinds of wild carnivorous animals, grass-eating animals, birds, snakes, butterfly, insects, and tiny organisms that live under the soil. These animals make their homes under the plants and trees. Forests provide food and safety to the animals living there. Birds feeds on the fruits and berries of different trees and plants in the forest. So forest help all the animals. The forest give food, habitat, right? So all gives the forest. I think you all cleared about forest and environment. So what do you mean by forest? Forest otherwise called woodlands, and forest is a natural and largely undisturbed areas with thickly grown trees and small plants, right? Why forest called lungs of the earth? So they absorb carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. For this reason, they are called lungs of the earth. And forest control the soil erosion, right? And forest is a habitat for all wildlife. Forest also provide food and safety to the animals living there, right children? I think you all clear about this topic. This is time for your homework. Do practice zone 1 in book page number 36 and do question number 3 in your worksheet page number 29. This is for your eye exercise children. Oftenly do your eye exercise. That's why you have to come out of your eye strain. Thank you children. Stay home, stay safe, stay connected. Thank you children.